Hey, okay, so I've got a GeGe. There's the bit in on the key, so very high 5, low 4, nasty little lock indeed. There you go. It's possibly one of the most awkward locks I've ever had a crack at. Don't know if you can sort of see in the keyway here. It's you've got a very sharp diagonal jag there, which you can't hardly get a pick into, and then you've got another one up here. The warding is just crazy on this. It's hard enough to tension the thing, let alone pick it, but I've got it so that my tension wrench fits in there. A little bit of jiggery pokery we're in. Okay, so I'm going to use a Blue Gem 15,000ths and this hook. I don't know how thick this is, but it's thinner than this. Not by a lot, but it gets down in this bottom channel a little bit better. I think that's okay. Right. So it's a case of not too hard tension. It's sort of, I'm holding, I've got a little bit of force going, but not a great deal. And just going along looking for the binder and the click. There we go. I've got number 5. Number 1. And that was pin 2. I'm on pin 4. Nothing from that still. This blue gem is getting trapped in the bottom. That was pin 3, a little click. Pin 4. I'm on pin 1, but it's not set fully. Oh yeah, he is. Okay, I just let a little bit of tension off there and something dropped at the back. I think it was pin 4 and 5. Okay, that was 5 back in. Little click on 3. And click in on 1. Okay. And just swap to the hook a minute. Still got the same amount of tension on. Got to be a bit more delicate with this thing, or it's got no strength at all. It buckles if there's if you're putting any force through it. So you really got to I don't know, just take it easy with it. Okay, that was a click on pin 2. Pin 5. Wow, that's a tough lock, man. Tough lock. But there we go, it's open. This is on for this bit. Okay, oh, good, it's got one of these clips on, we can use this tool. I do have a key if it locks back up, which it hasn't. Okay, so I'll clip off. We do have a ridge or groove around here, but it's not too deep, so I'm gonna risk it for a biscuit. Okay, let's dump these out. So that was pin 5. Oh, that's a nice looking pin. 4. That was a pin in pin, but it's not. It's just worn away at the bottom. 3, 2, 1. So we have a steel pin 1. The rest seem to be brass. So a little look in the core. Battery's gone on that. Never mind. I don't know. There's something in there, but I don't think it's any. Is an out in there. Okay. Let's have a little look in the Bible. We've got steel. I hope we get some interesting pins. Okay. We do. Because this is an absolute bugger. As are all GeGes. Me and my friend, we've got this running thing going with GeGes where we constantly trying to pick them and very little bloody luck with them. But yeah. Sorry, I'm not meaning to whisper. It's just becoming light outside. It's feels eerie. Right, okay, so there we go. Down the bottom we've got 4 brass and a steel, all standard, nothing too fancy going on with them. And up the top, if we can get a bit more focus, so we've got a steel pin 1, position 1, and then we've got 4 of these. I just put one there, you can have a little look at it in a bit more detail. So yeah, great serrations on that, quite deep, and obviously a nightmare to pick, but we got that one open, so all good. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Nice one. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy, subscribe, like, and everything else. I'll catch you all soon. Be good.